Series B funding to enhance human supervised robotics system. XTEND, an innovator in drone and robotics technology, has secured a $40 million investment in its Series B funding round to expand its AI-driven operating system XOS. The funding round was led by Chartered Group, with significant contributions from both new and existing strategic investors, including Clal-Tech. This investment aims to further develop XTEND's proprietary XOS operating system, which is pivotal in complex, hazardous enterprise and security applications globally. Additionally, XTEND plans to increase global sales of its drones and robotics products. XTEND founders, XOS combines human intelligence with machine autonomy, creating a new paradigm for professional interaction with machines. It is designed to enable operators to execute complex missions in varied environments with minimal training. Our XOS operating system is based on Practical Human Supervised Autonomy, which allows for specific autonomous tasks while keeping crucial common-sense decisions in the hands of human supervisors, explained Aviv Shapira, co-founder and CEO of XTEND. He highlighted that this hybrid approach helps in managing multiple robots effectively, enhancing the system's learning from human oversight. XTEND's technology has already seen widespread operational deployment. Its hardware-agnostic system supports a variety of platforms, including third-party devices, enhancing or creating new systems from scratch. XOS's open architecture allows it to host applications developed externally, further broadening its utility and adaptability. Aviv Shapira, co-founder and CXO of XTEND, emphasized the adaptability of their systems in unpredictable environments. Unlike self-driving cars, XTEND specializes in enabling operations in hyper-variable environments. Our core technology, XOS, is built around this human-machine partnership, continually integrating new AI skills to increase autonomy in operations, allowing human supervisors to manage more tasks simultaneously at scale. Il Agmoni, founder and chairman of Chartered Group, expressed strong support for XTEND's vision. We believe that the companies bringing the value of AI to massive and complex industries, like robotics and drone operations, will be the tech giants of the 21st century. We truly believe in XTEND's potential to become the world leader in these fields. The U.S. Department of Defense Special Forces and Israel's Ministry of Defense have already integrated XTEND systems into their operations, endorsing the effectiveness of the XOS in high-stakes environments. For more information on XTEND and its revolutionary technologies, visit their official website. For further details on Chartered Group and its investment strategies, please visit www.charteredgroup.com.